spills in sideways through apartment window glass. Fishing boats drag silver lines like memories moving fast. Coffee steaming, diesel air, seagulls drawing lazy curves. Itajaí wakes up slowly under wise and restless birds down by the harbor. Nobody's chasing gold, just sunburned shoulders and stories quietly told. Praia Brava breathing heavy, blue and grey against the day. Some hearts come here to disappear, mine forgot to drift away. Salt drying on my forearm, south wind tangled in my hair. The ocean speaks in low tones to anybody standing there. Light over the molhes, kids climbing weathered stone, a surfer carrying old dreams like he built them on his own. Maybe that's the beauty, nothing polished, nothing planned. Sea spray on concrete corners and footprints losing shape in sand. Praia Brava breathing heavy, blue and grey against the day. Some hearts come here to disappear, mine forgot to drift away. Night settles over Itajaí, lights trembling on the bay. Some places ask what you became. This one lets the silence